Makes hosting a breeze. This set of disposable plastic cutlery makes hosting as easy as can be. Premium cutlery looks great, plus you won't be spending the remainder of the night cleaning. Extra sturdy utensils. Kingsford heavyweight cutlery resists breakage. This means no snapping forks during your meal. Plastic flatware is perfect for all types of foods, no matter the occasion. 30 forks, 20 knives, 25 spoons included. This plastic cutlery set includes 30 plastic forks, 20 plastic knives, and 25 plastic spoons. Ideal for everyday use, Kingsford plastic cutlery gives any table a premium look, whether it is for a special occasion or everyday use. Heavyweight PLATIC cutlery is dishwasher safe. This contemporary set of plastic cutlery is reusable and dishwasher safe if cleaned on the top rack. The Kingsford full-size assorted heavy-duty plastic cutlery set is all you need for your next meal, no matter the occasion. This set of disposable plastic cutlery includes 30 forks, 20 knives, and 25 spoons, all plastic, disposable, heavy-duty, and dishwasher safe. There are a total of 75 pieces of plastic cutlery included in this set. Disposable cutlery from Kingsford is extra heavyweight, strong, and shatter-resistant. The disposable plastic cutlery is high-end and made of great quality. Disposable and easy to use, this plastic cutlery is great for occasional or everyday use. Use at home or on the go, for individual use or for small gatherings. These disposable forks, plastic spoons, and plastic knives are easy to use and convenient. Plastic cutlery is dishwasher safe when cleaned on the top rack. Top reviews from the United States. Good value for disposable utensils. Good value when you don't need a box of several hundred, nor do you have the room for one. The utensils are nice and sturdy. Colors are also nice, better than having them all one color. Easier to immediately find what you're looking for in the box. Despite what the picture shows, the knives are in there. There are flimsy cardboard dividers in the box that hold the knives to the back.